Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers. Just drove my wife to the train station in her MERCEDES ML350. It's a 2013. Anyway, so I felt something funny, and then the gauges inside started telling me that the pressure was different. Look what I did. All those damn nails and screws around. This sucks. However, I'm not gonna go and take it to a place where they'll charge like $80 or something for a patch on the inside, since this nail fortunately is right on the tread, right? I'm going to put a plug in there. So number one is I'm going to jack up the car to take the pressure off the tire, remove the nut, right? Make the hole actually bigger so that it fits a plug. And I'm going to fix this for like $3. Got this at Walmart. This was like $4.49 or something. It's a lot of plugs, you know. Good enough for a lot. So basically, these tools, you make the hole bigger with this. Then you put the plug onto here, shove it in the hole. Some rubber cement you coat that with. So I've jacked this up to the highest level, and the tire is still touching the ground. It's a problem with these 2-ton jacks for SUVs. I mean, it's so high that you almost have to put a piece of wood in between there. But, you know, this is good enough because I don't want the wheel to spin around. Just as long as it's touching, it's fine. And I just want to relieve the pressure off the tire is all. Making noises. So I'm going to try to remove that bolt. Pair of pliers. So you let all the air come out, it's okay. You want to do that anyway. Now you use this tool to basically make the hole symmetrical. Nice. You want it nice and round, you know what I'm saying? Fortunately, feels pretty symmetrical. Now you take one of these plugs and you put it in this handle thing here. You coat it with this cement. And once you pull that out, you shove that in. It's really messy. You generously coat that entire thing with that cement. So I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to shove that in. Went in pretty easily. I just shoved it in the hole and slowly pulled it out. And those are the ends, the left and right end of that plug. And there you go. I think it's done. It looks pretty good. Then I'll take a razor blade after it dries a little bit, and you could just leave it there, you know, it'll just compact into the tire. May need some new tires actually. But that's it. Really easy to plug a hole. Now I'll just fill up the tire to 35 psi, which is what the gas cap says, and drop it off the jacks, and that's good to go. Plug in a tire. It works on expensive German luxury vehicles too. Don't let them all fool you and say, oh, you should put a patch in there, $80, $100. Nah, man, $4.49 or less. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.